Hey guys, it's Andre here from ORMS, and today we've got something very special for you guys. ORMS is turning 25 years old and we've got some limited edition specials running just for you. So kicking off with a big bang, it's the Canon Eos R6, one of my favorite mirrorless cameras on the market at the moment, and it's thanks to its beautiful, quick and fast autofocus system. If you're ready to go mirrorless, now is the time. Now on the topic of mirrorless cameras, you'll obviously need a nice compact bag that'll suit it, and that's where the Think Tank mirrorless movers is a great choice. We have a range of different colors and different sizes. So come in store or check online and see which will work for you. If you need one lens that does everything, the Tamron 18-400 has got you covered. It shoots wide, it shoots portrait, and it can even go up to wildlife. So if you don't want to change lenses, this is the one for you. If you're a bit more serious about wildlife and sports photography, the Sigma 150-600 has got you covered. This is one of the very few lenses in this price range that's got two stabilization modes. We'll be running this on special with Canon and Nikon mounts. So what is the ORMS promotion without the popular Peak Design slide strap? What I really love about this product is the quick releases on this. So if you're doing gimbal work or tripod work, you can quickly remove that annoying strap that's hanging around. Definitely check it out. Next up, we've got the Boya smartphone video kit. Now this is great for guys making a little bit of online video content, and also if you need good audio for those Zoom meetings. Definitely check it out. It is bundled with a little tripod extension and also a microphone that can plug in straight to your phone. So sticking with audio, we've got the Saramonic UW Mic 9 kit. This is a great wireless lav system if you need broadcast level spec, but at an affordable price. Next up, we've got Canon's phenomenal entry-level mirrorless camera in their range, and that's the Canon EOS M50. Now we'll be bundling this with two lenses, the 15-45 and also the 22mm f2. What's great about this little camera, it's 24 megapixel stills, but also one of the best vlogging starter cameras in the market. Next up is one of the best action cameras out there. It's the Gopro Hero 9. What makes this really great is GoPro revamped the menu, making it very easy to use. And what's awesome about the new Hyper Smooth 3 is it gives you gimbal-like stabilization. Need a sturdy tripod? Look at the Manfrotto 290 bundled with the three-way head. The three-way head is great for shooting still life and also landscape and architecture photography. Really stable, really solid. Is that a bird? Is that a plane? No, it's the ORMS 25th birthday promotion, and part of that is the Bushnell 10x42 Engage X. This is a great, lightweight, all-round binocular, good for birding and wildlife. Go check it out. Now, keeping your camera safe and secure, the Lowepro ProTactic 350 is going to do a really good job. It is a hard shell backpack. It opens up virtually from any side and also supports a 13-inch laptop. It's a perfect all-rounder. If you make online video content and need something that fits in your pocket, the Sony Zv1 has got everything you need. The flippy screen, amazing autofocus, a microphone input, and also one of the sharpest lenses made by Zeiss. Definitely worth checking out. Now, capturing those moments instantly, the Fuji Instax Mini 11 is going to do a really good job. We'll be bundling this with 2 packs of film and a bag to get you started. Making a massive comeback is the Nikon D5600 triple lens bundle. So this will be bundled with the kit 18-55, 70-300, and also super popular 50mm f1.8. You'll also be getting a free bag and a free card. Probably one of my favorite entry-level specials that will be running on this promo. Next up is one of my favorite ring lights in the shop, and this is the Tolipho Travelite Kit. Now this is a full package, meaning it comes with the rechargeable batteries, the AC power, light stand, and also phone clamp. What's special about this ring light is that it's bicolor but also RGB with various effects. So for all the content creators out there, YouTuber gamers, have a look at this one. And that is it, guys. That is just a small taste of all the amazing products going on the ORMS 25th birthday promotion. There'll be many more in-store and online. And don't forget to check out for those daily deals. Hope to see you soon.